Welcome to another training session. So this video is actually inspired by my baby. I saw rashes on his body and I said to do a soap that will clear off those rashes fast. So I'll be making an herbal soap. I'll be making it from the scratch. So this is my lye solution. How did I get this lye solution? My lye that I've fermented, I've soaked this lye yesterday. What did I do? I got some herb that I know that will be good for treating the rashes, and I put them inside this lye solution since yesterday. Allowed them stay for like 24 hours. Look at the herbs. I have lemongrass here. I have pawpaw leaf here. I even have bitter leaf here. Just be creative and just do whatever suits you. I have bitter leaf. I have pawpaw leaf. I have lemongrass. And I also added Camwood. You know the beauty of Camwood. This is Camwood. For those that don't know what Camwood is, Camwood powder. So I also added Camwood powder in my lye solution. And I will also be adding sulphur because I want it to clear off the rashes in my baby's body. This is an herbal soap I'm making. And I'll be adding menthol. You know, this is Harmattan, so I just want that warmth that menthol brings. So I'm just being creative. I'm just freestyling. So that's why I said soap making is fun. When you're making soap, just be creative and just do whatever suits you. So we go right into this is my palm kernel oil. This is my lye solution. I'll be adding a bit of black palm kernel oil. You know the one we call it idakin. I'll be adding like 20 ml in this soap. So let's go right in. So I'll be making a batch of 500 ml of PKO. This is my mold. So what do I do first? I want to sieve my lye solution. I already took the hydrometer reading for my lye solution to be 1275. So, but I'm still going to, before I added the herbs, but I'm still going to take it again. So let's go. I'm not using all. I'll still keep some. So I've sieved my herb. So I want to take the hydrometer reading of my solution. So I took it before I added my herbs in there. So let's just take it just for you to see. You can see it's just at that point 1275. Bring the camera close so you can see it's just at that point 1275. So we are good to go. So this is what I'll be using. So let me pour back this remaining one. My lye solution. I'm using 250 ml of my lye solution. I'll be using 500 ml of my oil. I'm using palm kernel oil. Combine other oils like coconut oil, like sunflower oil, just combine oils. But this is what I make soap. Soap is just a combination of oil and alkaline. So let's go. So this is my palm kernel oil. I added 500 ml of palm kernel oil. Added 500 ml. I'll be adding. This is my dark king, as Igbos will call it. So I just add like 20 ml. This one is fine. I just want that variety. And this is my whisk. And I'll add my lye solution. And I'll stir. See, this dark. I didn't add color. It's taking the color of the herbs and the camwood. So I want to also add this is menthol. I'll also add sulphur. I'm adding just about half wrap of menthol just for that warmth of menthol. And I'll add 1 spoon of sulphur. This is also a very good treatment for skin blemishes. So I'll just add 1 spoon. So I'm good to go. And I'll stir. Smelling that menthol smell already. And I'll add fragrance. I'll add just a little bit of fragrance, just like 5 ml. Remember, I'm using it for my baby, so I don't like that too much of fragrance in there, so I'll just add a little bit, like 5 ml of fragrance. My baby is about 1 year 6 months, so it's not as if it's a newborn baby, but still a baby. You see how beautiful our soap is coming up. But you see that soap making is not difficult at all. So what did I do? I used 500 ml of my palm kernel oil, 250 ml of my lye solution, herb infused lye solution. I added just about 20 ml of my Idaki, which is the black pomade that we use, and I added my sulphur, added 5 ml of fragrance, I added a little bit of menthol, and our soap is ready. So this one is my Camwood herbal soap, Camwood and sulphur herbal soap. So you see it's ready. So I'm just ready to go into the mold. So here comes our molds. So I'll just put them in our molds. It's looking like chocolate, but it's not chocolate. It's the camwood and the herb that gave it this color. Remember, I didn't add any color at all. It's the camwood and the herb. Hearing the menthol in there is smelling so beautifully. Soap bars, beautiful soap. Plants, lemongrass. I added bitter leaf, pawpaw leaf, different herbal leaves. So thank you. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Please do, as I give you value overload. And if you know you want to enroll for my paid training on how to make bar soap, or another training on how to make different household cleaning polite 22 products, click the link in the description. It will take you to the sales page where you read about the courses, and then you can register and start learning at your convenience from the comfort of your home. Thank you so much. God bless you. Welcome to the concluding part of this training. So this is our soup. You can see how strong they are because of the many herbs I added. So it may not be as strong as you can see how beautiful they are. See how beautiful. So with this, the rashes on my baby's body is in trouble. I'm so sure that by the time I start using this, just 2 days, all the rashes will clear. So you can just go ahead, try it out. If you have, you're dealing with rashes on your skin or your children, you can try it out. It's simple, it's very effective. Hope you've subscribed to my channel. If you've not, please do that now, and also like and share. Hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I post new video. Thank you. And also, if you want to join my paid training, just click the link in the description so that you can just read more about this training, and then you can register and start learning at the go, and also join the community of soap makers where you can learn, network, ask your questions, and thank you. Bye bye.